Developed in secret, this aircraft redefines the boundaries of aerospace engineering. Its capabilities remain classified.
This right here is the legendary B-2 Spirit. Look at the size of this thing. It's absolutely massive, massive.
Hidden inside this facility is where the magic happens. The B-2 bomber is a marvel of modern engineering.
Pressure is holding steady at 98 psi.
Matches the schematic requirements. We are clear for sign-off.
Check the resistance at C7.
150 ohms, within tolerance.
Here at the B-2 Spirit facility, precision is paramount. This robotic arm ensures every hole meets the exact specifications for the fuselage.
Ensure the wiring harnesses are secured at junction 9.
Confirmed. The telemetry readings are stable.
Here at the hangar, our engineers work hand in hand with automated systems to achieve unmatched accuracy.
We need to adjust the pressure on the next sequence right here.
Okay, I'll recalibrate the torque settings now.
We need micro adjustments on the starboard side.
Copy that. The arm is stabilizing the load.
Readings are steady. Proceed with the sequence.
Verify the alignment on the 4th axis.
The thermal readings on the tablet are still fluctuating right here. The pressure readings on manifold 7 are stabilizing.
Good. The robotic arm is holding steady at 500 torques.
We've got a slight imperfection near the coupling.
I see it. Switching to the flat blade nut now.
Aligning the edge now.
Clear. Engaging the hydraulics.
Look at the fluctuation here at joint 4.
It's within the acceptable parameters, but we should monitor it closely. Steady on the left.
Okay, moving it in now.
Check alignment on the top clamp.
Integrating the dorsal camera array on the stealth bomber demands absolute precision, followed by critical safety checks of the cockpit egress systems.
Secure the brackets now.
Brackets are secure.
Check the wiring ports next.
We are clear for final torque on nacelle mount 3.
Confirmed. Applying 500 Newton meters. System secure.
Position looks solid. Go ahead and tighten the primary clamp.
Roger that. Holding steady.
This carbon fiber fuselage is revolutionary. The precision required for these engine components is unmatched in aerospace engineering.
The drill bit makes contact now, maintaining a constant temperature to preserve the composite structure. This
Maintaining the Spirit fleet demands unparalleled precision, from the engine cowling diagnostics to the final cockpit readiness checks.
Data stream confirms stabilization.
And the voltage holds steady here.
Good flow rate. System integrity confirmed.
Check the alignment on the port side intake. Make sure the seal is flush.
All systems green. Requesting final clearance. All systems reporting green. Pre-flight sequence is nominal. Requesting final clearance.
Check the stress points on the starboard engine mount.
Looks within tolerance.
Error. Incomplete response after 5 retries. We need to confirm the alignment on section 4.
Copy that.
Moving to the flight deck.
Initiate the calibration sequence now.
We have stabilization.
Noted. Releasing pressure now.
This linkage here, are we getting the expected pressure?
Yep, gauge is reading green.
We have full readiness on the main systems. Confirmed. Status is green.
Check the hydraulics on section 4.
Pressure stable, but the temperature is spiking near the port engine.
Copy that. Adjusting the coolant flow. Check the sensor calibration on panel 4.
Alignment looks good, going tight.
Secured.
Okay, team, focus on the starboard landing gear assembly.
I'm seeing a loose connection right here.
Check the alignment on panel 42.
Looks good from here, but the gap on the lower quadrant is slightly off spec.
All right, let's tag it for secondary review.
Ensure the auxiliary power is disengaged before initiating the sequence check.
Copy that. Tag removed.
Ground checks complete, chocks removed, clear for engine start.
Roger, commencing pre-flight sequence.
Radio check, all systems green.
All right, easy with that tension on the jack.
Holding steady at position 4.
Check the tension on the main gear connection. Solid. We are cleared for towing.